Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you another card for birthdays. And I am actually featuring a brand new stamp set out of the Occasions catalog, which is the birthday share. And what is really cool about this one is that it has really nice images that I think are going to be perfect for the blends. But also look at those fonts and sentiments and this. I just love when we have this type of sentiments because they go perfect with everything. Now another cool thing about this set is that this is one of those cling stamp sets, so very excited about those because now I can put the stickers on my stamps and I actually see what I am stamping, so I'm very excited with it. You can see it's really stick together, and I just love that. Anyway, I'll link on the description of this video another video where I talk more about the cling stamps so that you know more about it. So the card that I am doing today is also featuring the How Sweet It Is design series paper. And I love this type of papers when they have big images because you can just cut them, or like in this case I have been fussy cutting them, and I've been coming up with really nice cards with this. You can see here it's really bright bold colors that I think will go perfect for any birthday card that you are creating, so I think it's awesome. It does goes with a bundle, but in my case I am just coordinating or combining some products from different suites. Now, so let's just go over measurements. And so I have here a piece of Mellow Mambo, and this is 5.5 by 8.5, and as usual we're gonna go ahead and fold it in half. So here we have it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a piece of the design series paper, and this one is 5.25 by 4. So yeah, 5.25 by 4. And so I'm gonna go ahead and glue that one already because I know I won't be doing anything else to this one. Let's just go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put it like so. Alrighty. Okay. Then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 3 by 4. Yeah, 3 by 4, and this one will go somewhere here. But let's just wait until I know exactly what I'm going to be putting. I have these pieces that I fussy cut out of that design series paper. There's a little gummy bear, there's a little jelly bean, and I have a piece of Coastal Cabana, and this one is 2 3/4 by 1 inch, and I have a piece of Pineapple Punch, and this one is 1/2 inch by 5.5, which is not gonna matter because I'm only gonna need a little bit of this. So let's just stamp first this with a sentiment. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Gorgeous Grape, and let's stamp the sentiment. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp my sentiment. And like I said, I love that now I can see the image that I am stamping. Perfect. And I'll be using the Tailor Punch. Let's just bring it in. To do a little banner. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and take these. And there you have it. So this one will go here. Then I'm going to be putting this one, and so on this one I'm also going to be cutting a little piece. I don't know yet, like I said, how much I'm going to be showing, but I want to have those. I want to have this one here, and then this one right there, you know. So let's just see. So I'm going to put it like so. So I only need like probably about this much, you know. And you can tell I am eyeballing it, yes, because I only want a little bit of that. There you have it. So because then I'm going to be putting these little pieces there. So let's just start putting this together. I'm going to go ahead and put this flat because I'm going to be putting those cuts, or those cutouts with dimensionals. So there you have it. I want to show a lot of that great paper art. I think this is one of my favorites for the background. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this one first. So I think I'm going to put this one like right here, and then this one will be raised. So let's just bring some dimensionals. Oh, I have here one that is already used. So let's just bring dimensionals for this. There you have it. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and put this one here. As you can tell, this one will go here. Or I can actually, no, I think this one goes better there. So I'm going to put dimensionals on this side. Oh. I think I can fit, oh, it does fit one more. There you have it, so it doesn't show. Alrighty. I'm going to have this one like somewhere here. There you have it. And then I'm going to be putting this one, oh, where's my little gummy bear? I think I lost my gummy bear, so I'm going to skip the gummy bear because now I lost it. Oh, here it is. I'm like, I lost the guy. And so this one will be here. And I'm going to put it a little bit below. So I'm going to put dimensionals on this section. So let's just do that. So this one will be, yeah. Same thing, because this one will be like so. Yes, I might do one of the mini ones somewhere here, you know. You know me, I love putting dimensionals. Oh, goodness gracious. There it is. Alright. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here. And it's a little bit off, as you can see. It's a little bit below. But then I'm going to go ahead and add this little guy. So I'm going to use one of these. Oh. Oh, the static on this. So I'm just going to put it like, maybe I'll put it like right here. And then I'll put the little gummy bear here. Don't you think? I think it will go nice to have it here. I just love doing all these little fussy cutting on this. I think it adds a lot to our projects. Now to complement this, I think like I can use a little bow with a pineapple punch 1/8 ribbon. So I'm going to do a mini bow. So let's just go ahead and do a bow. I just love all the colors on this wood, I tell you that. Or not all this design series paper, I should say. I think it's really fun, and you know, after the holidays, I mean, I think we all want to have different alcohol. See how it looks? So I want to put it there. I'm going to be using a little glue dot to glue it down. Alright. And then I think it will be great if I use some of this just to put a little bit of pop on those empty areas. So I'm going to use my Take Your Pick tool. And I'll probably just use this one to bring back. You know what? Let me just change to the other one. For whatever reason, I had better luck using this. So I'm just going to use and put, oh, like one here, one there. I'm going to put one of the purple ones. Oh, oh. I'll put one there. And then one of the green ones. Oh my goodness. And there you have it. So I'm just going to leave it with 3. I don't want to have too many of those. And I always feel like doing this in not even numbers, or it's really great. So anyway, so here you have it. I think that it looks fantastic, and wouldn't you like to have something really bright and cheerful for your birthday? I think I would. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. And let me just go over real quick my new incentive. So for those of you that haven't heard, I'm having a new incentive where you can get this amazing tutorial sampling or a bundle. And this one has 10 different tutorials that you get when you purchase with me $50. Now, it has 10 tutorials, like I said, and it will be mailed immediately. Or I should say, like every week, through everyone to everyone placing orders with me using the hostess code. Now you can get the hostess code out of my website in creatingwithali.com, and like I said, I'm partnering with these amazing stampers. I'm sure you're gonna love it, and it's about 50 pages bundle, so it's amazing, and I just love it. And we have different type of things going on here. We have a 3D item, we have a calendar as well, we have different cards, and a lot of them uses brand new products from the occasions catalog, so you definitely want to have your hands on this bundle. So let me know if you have any questions, and so I can answer about this bundle. And also don't forget about signing up on my email list. This is where I send you information about my classes. I also send free tutorials, and anything going on with Creating with Ali, you'll learn from me there. So I'll put in the description of this video information about signing up for my email, and also I'll put more information about this bundle as well. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.